Look at that beard, it's all squished.
And I had that mask on. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This beautiful gray truck is coming together. Everything is coming together. We decided today to bring up the bedside, the fender flare, and the tailgate, get it up in the booth, get it all painted up, and get this color on this, get the bed put right back together, because we're almost ready to paint that cab, and we'll be done with the paint work and start putting this truck back together. But what I do have today to paint this stuff, check this out. This is an IWATA KIWAMI, and I've been looking for a paint gun that fits my style of painting. We've got the Sata Jet, and that is a powerhouse. And I needed something to kind of slow down to go with my painting style, because I'm not as fast as JP or some of these other guys. So Brian over at the Paint Society, he reviewed this gun and he recommended it. It looked like it was a great fit for me. I found a super deal on it. So we're going to put this sucker to the test on the bedside, on the fender flare, on the tailgate. We're going to see if we can mix up this color and how close we can get it to match. It's going to be beautiful and it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's stop talking and let's start sanding. Man, that is looking really good. We got the flare in here. We got our gas door in here. We got our bedside. It's all in here. And we got our tailgate hung up. We got everything in the booth. So if this is your first time stopping by our channel, what we're going to do now, we are going to wipe it down with some wax and grease remover. We're going to get any impurities off of it. We're going to get it super slick. Then we're going to hit it with the tack rag. But before we do all that, I got to jump in here and see if I can mix this color. So I'm gonna look it up and give it a shot. I'm not the best at that, but you know what? I'll be an expert when this is done. So let's hop in here and let's mix up some paint. Well, we did get our paint all mixed up. It's looking really, really good. I think it's gonna match really, really close. Got the Kiwami right here. We gotta get this sucker ready. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna tack down everything that we've got all ready to paint. We're gonna jump in here, we're gonna put this gun together. We're gonna reduce our paint. We're gonna paint these parts, see how they look. I hope it's gonna turn out great. We jumped on the mixing machine. We had 10 colors that we had to mix, but you know what? We can do it. We can do this stuff. So we're jumping on it. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna look fantastic. I do know it's real noisy here in the booth, but we got 3 coats of base on all these parts. The little IWATA did great for my painting style. I'm gonna see if I can get it dialed in for the clear coat. We're gonna use that too. I've already got some mixed up, so we're gonna put the clear on these things. Hopefully it matches. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. It's really hard for me to tell here in the booth, but it looks really good. So let's go ahead and put the clear on and see what we got. Y'all remember our bed here. We took the bed off a little bit ago and we went and got that beautiful bedside up in Asheville, North Carolina. So what I want to do while the other one's in the booth baking, we got that stuff in there baking for just a minute. I want to try to get this bedside off because I would love to just get our new bedside put right back on it so we don't get it all skin up. Y'all know how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bedside off, let the other one bake. We're going to come back here and try to put the bedside and the tailgate on. Let's see if we can get this off. Alrighty guys, I do think that we matched that color as best as we possibly could. Man, that thing looks great. In the mixing machine, there were 7 or 8 different variants. I took the chips down there, I held it up, I picked the one that had the L, that's the one that was the closest. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. We got the bedside put back on, we got the tailgate put back on, everything lined up perfect. I did not put the flare on because the flare is the last thing that goes on, but I did put the gas door back on. So we'll be ready. Once we get this truck painted, we can just set the bed right back on. That's all we got to do. So we're going to have to paint the door and the cab corner and do a little blending, and then we can put our truck together, make it ours, make it look like we want. We do appreciate you stopping by today. I do like the little IWATA KIWAMI. Thanks again to Brian at the Paint Society. He reviewed this gun. It is my speed and it does work for me. I love this little thing. I'm gonna keep practicing with it and get it dialed in. I think it's gonna be great. If you like this video and if you like the content, go ahead and hit the like button. Drop us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.